Hi class, lab session number 3 is coming up this week and I would like to let you know what to expect. This lab will be very similar to the previous lab session. As before, we will begin with the lab quiz. To ensure your readiness, review your work from lab topics 4, 5, and 6. For lab 4, reread pages 35 through 37, be able to use a taxonomic key like the one on page 42, and be able to answer the review questions on page 43. For Lab 5, review pages 45 through 50, study your drawings because we're going to have sample organisms on the quiz, and answer the review questions on page 51. Lastly, for Lab 6, review pages 55 through 60. Again, study your drawings and answer the review questions on page 61. The lab quiz format will be the same as the previous quiz. It is paper-based. You'll need a pencil or pen. There are 10 points per lab activity, and this quiz is 4 pages, 2 double-sided in length. You will also submit your lab packets for labs 4 through 6. Double-check your work to verify that you have accurately answered the review questions for each lab. In Lab Session 3, we will continue our study of the eukaryotic domain and its diversity. In Lab 7, we will study plant diversity, and then in Lab 8, we will study animal diversity. Lab 9 will focus on DNA structure with a fun extraction of plant DNA. To ensure that our lab session doesn't run over our allotted time, please read in advance the introductory information for Labs 7 through 9. For Lab 7, read and take notes for pages 65 through 70, Lab 8, pages 75 through 78, Lab 9, pages 87 through 90. You may also take a look at one or both of these websites related to animal diversity. They include theshapeoflife.org and animaldiversity.org. Our schedule is the same as Lab Session 2. We'll start with the lab quiz, complete Lab 7, take a small break, complete Lab 8, take a slightly longer break, then conclude with Lab Activity 9. I look forward to working with you during Lab Session 3.